Hey guys, today I'm gonna change the taillights on my RX7. We're gonna put the S5 taillights in, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it, because basically you need to change some things to make them fit. But yeah, so first of all, you unbolt the screws. It's 6 screws for every light. You unbolt them, they're right here and here and in the corner. I already did that, and I already disconnected the connector. So here we have the old taillights. They're a lot shorter than the new ones. Right here. And that's the new one. And basically the problem is, we need to make space for this thing. So there's 2 options. First, you grind this thing down, but then you can't run the lights for the registration plate. Or the other option is you drill a hole in, it's around somewhere here. That's how I'm gonna do it. I already did this on the left side. And yeah, so let's go. To make them fit, you also need to bend this bracket here in a bit. So you take your big one, just tap it a bit. That should be enough. So you need to drill the hole right here, like. Okay, now the taillight should be fit. Okay, the other thing that you need to cut down is like the plate, the back plate for the registration plate. You need to cut around 67 millimeters from this point, like from here. I don't know if you can see it, but I marked it here, and that's the part it needs to be cut off. Like, the proper way to do it is to get an S5 plate, but in German parts for RX7 are very rare, and you can do it this way also. Now we're just gonna clean up the edges. And let's see if it fits. I mean, it's not perfect, but it works.